Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, karibu sana. And if you are a returning one, thank you so much. Yeah, please subscribe if you haven't. And yeah, so today is on Wednesday. Getting ready, of course, to go to town. But there's this huge consignment that came in that hasn't been easy to clear because it's over 100+ K that I'm supposed to clear with. So yeah, I was just making a call to my cargo to see if they can deliver. They haven't responded, but yeah, let me call them just once more, see if they are gonna pick up, and then ask them to deliver. See, the line is busy. It has been busy since I started calling. So I don't know, it's 11:17 right now. I hardly go out when it gets to this time, but I needed to come today so that I can arrange, and then guys start picking up on Friday. But tomorrow is on Thursday. We will not be opening tomorrow because of kuna maandamano zinaendelea currently because of the high cost of living. I want the consignment to come to town today, hopefully. I pray. Aki, the line has been busy for the past 1 hour. Now I'm wondering, do I go there to the warehouse myself so that I can talk to them and also find a taxi, because it's so huge it can't fit in our car. So yeah, I don't know what to do. And besides that, I do not know anyone who can fit 20 cartons in their car, so it has to be sort of a canter, and that will cost me about 4,000 to bring the cargo to town. Oh, finally it has gone through. That is wonderful. Maybe we can listen to the conversation. Okay, and they are not picking up. Alright, they ain't picking up. If they do, I'm gonna talk to them and then see, hopefully, if they're gonna manage to deliver today, or if not today, they will be delivering it on Friday very early in the morning, because guys need to start picking up from Friday. That's the promise I made them. So yeah, let me catch y'all later. Hey guys, so it's on Thursday. That's when the goods have I've collected the goods. Well, someone delivered, and so I'm trying to sort each and everything out and know what exactly is in every box. But they are many boxes. These are many boxes, so zingine zimeblock mlango, but yeah, tunajaribu kuingiza tuzipange, and then I'll show you everything, because I do not exactly know what is in what, but nashuku naeza tell kidogo. So let's see. I have help from the beautiful ladies, Sharon, and this is Jackie. So let's see what's inside those cartons. Nashuku hizo ni spice jars, but I'm not sure. As you can see, the packaging is quite nice, but nashuku zingine zime break. Gosh, let's see. Oh, these are decor books. This is really genius of them. Like, you can just connect and a whole book looks like this. Haijafinywa hata place moja. Amazing! I was worried zinaweza ingia kama zimefinywa, but this is nice. Something is wrong with this camera. Inakataa kuchukua video. But anyway, yeah, quite genius of them. So we have other cartons that have these spice jars. They are 200 ml. They all came looking like this. Oh, they're actually cute. Very cute for your spices. look at that. And then it has the bamboo lid to them. Each box came having 200 pieces. Let me show you the boxes. So I believe that box is the same as this box. It has the same things. Yep, I thought so. Na zote zinatoshana because it's the 200 ml. Very nice packaging. It's very hard to break. Looking like that. I believe those ones should be either mugs or spaghetti jars. Let's open and see. Yeah, these are spaghetti jars. Very cute. Ni karefu. So cute. Guy. It's very long. Not so bad. So everything in here is 40 pieces. Okay. So this one, and this one, all spice jars, all 600 pieces. And then we have this one. I believe it's the other spaghetti jar, the one that doesn't have a handle. Let's open and see. Yep. Oh, this is bigger and cuter. It's very cute in person. I like it. Also, this box has 40 pieces, and there's still another one that has 40 pieces. As this one's, I ordered 2 cartons, and that one 1 carton. Yeah, these are mugs. And all these glass jars are from the same supplier. So here is the mug. Is this one bigger? Might be the same. So let's compare it to the other ones that we had. Right? There's a slight difference. This is actually bigger kidogo too than this one. Okay. So these ones are supposed to be 2 cartons. I believe this one is different. This should either be silicone spoons or vegetable cutters. Let me open and show you. So yeah, as I thought, these are the vegetable cutters, the mandolin. So they are finally here as well. And as I need to write the names of the colors outside the box so that they do not confuse us. Ama tuweke and then mtu anauliza, is there black, and you do not know if there's black. So that's the work I need to do today. So it's also very early. I came to town. By the time I was getting to town, it was around 7, and I got coffee. I brought coffee. This is the only thing I'm gonna have today until jioni niende nikule food. So cheers. Also coffee and no sugar. So next up, it's silicone spoons. Yay! I also need to write the names of these, the colors. Yeah. So let me also do that quickly. Like this is red. It's a lot of work, but you gotta do it. So this is done. the colors, 16 of them. That's done. Zinapakiwa huko juu. Nunueni, chukweni. So that's a whole 48 pieces of spoons. And then we have a few more to go. I have a new item that is the first thing that we are buying. And it's actually packed very nice because this is a box wrapped and then they've been put inside Nagunia juu. So that's how most of the Chinese pack is. So this is quite nice. Just wait, kidogo. This is a cute one. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. This is gorgeous. Amazing. Oh yeah, so this is the one that's next up. A whole 50 pieces.
Seems like
oh, this is pretty nice. And it only came in color green. Just color green. 50 of them. So here is an up close. Cute. Okay guys, we're finally done removing everything from the boxes, which is a huge yay. Right now it's 10. Wow, I am tired, but oh well, remove. Now we are putting the mugs away, and then finally I'll go to check out the decor books, see each and every one that the supplier gave me, but it's lots of work. So guys, these are all the decor books that came. There are more boxes there. There were 8 boxes, a total of 8 cartons, and I guess on each carton there were 50 of each design, because that box has 100 pieces inside, another one 100, and yeah, 7 boxes, sorry, not 8. So 700 pieces. Let me show you how they look like, because they are so cute. Let me turn the camera. Sorry guys, these are so many angles, but well, I guess let me just show you quickly. So we have this, and we have this, looks like this. Oh, the instant one looks like that. We have this cut here, very cute, I love. We have this decor, nice, Tiffany and Co. Love. We have this New York, pretty. We have this decor. All these are fire. Chanel. Yves Saint Laurent.
Yeah.
For yourself. We have this Kate Moss. We have this LV. But at least this time round I haven't felt as disappointed as I was the last one, because he sent so many that I didn't want. And then we have this. This Chanel. I guess my favorite of all is this Vogue, but they are all gorgeous. And then we have Tom Ford. And finally we have this, all very beautiful. So yeah, I guess that's everything. I don't think there's anything that I haven't showed. So yeah, clearing was quite easy as usual. I don't usually take so much time. And also the guy that brought them, the car was big enough to fit everything. He even actually had space because he brought it with a Nissan, as I showed you. So yeah, now it's for everyone to come and collect. Thank you so much, guys. I do not take it for granted. And of course, I'm at your service. If you need anything, if you need to order certain things for either your home or if you're starting a business, holla at me and I will I guess show you the way forward. And if it's even ordering for you, I can do that quite easily. And if you also need the contacts, let me know. So yeah, that's about everything. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for liking. I hope you've liked down below and subscribed and shared. And yeah, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Bye guys.